Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Jambo, Tanzania. Today I am going to cook Caldereta. Caldereta or Rosti Nyama. It's Caldereta, it's a Philippine food. Caldereta, that's what I'm going to cook. It looks almost the same as Nyama, Rosti Nyama, Tanzanian food. So here are the ingredients. Potatoes, carrots, red bell pepper, green peppers, onions, garlic, beef cubes, liver spread, caldereta itself, the spice, tomatoes, black pepper, bichin, salt, oil, and patis. And I have already boiled the meat. Let's go straight to the cooking. So next I'm gonna start frying potatoes. Then the carrots. Next, the green peppers and the red berry peppers. Okay, then I'm going to remove everything first, put aside. I'm going to put aside. And then fry the garlic or bawang. Then onions, sibuyas or onions. Yeah. And then I'm going to add the meat without soup. Okay, so I'll fry it together with the caldereta spice sauce mix. Okay, then mix it. Wow, it smells good. Then the tomato. Patis. And some black pepper. And mix it. Oh, it looks good. And the soup. Okay, so for the taste, I'm gonna add the cube. And some little salt. Because my frying pan is a bit small, I'm going to transfer everything here. Okay, cover it for a few minutes. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's time to taste. This is Caldereta. Wow, it's fantastic, tastes amazing. Ansarap. It tastes amazing. It's really good. The mixture of the vegetables, the meat, the tenderness of the meat, the spice, and everything in it is amazing. But I think this is good with rice. You know what I mean? Anyway, this is how it looks. It looks great, colorful. This is Caldereta, and thank you for watching this video. After watching this video, please try to make Caldereta too. Subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share this video. Thank you very much. Paalam, kwaheri, Johnny, bye bye.